You felt it before. Overwhelmed, tight-chested, stuck in your own head.
Then you step outside, and somehow it loosens. Turns out, there's a real reason for that. And it's not just fresh air. It's your brain physically changing gears. In 2020, researchers in Iceland ran a real test. Here's what's actually happening.
They split people into 3 groups: walk in nature, watch nature on video, or walk on a treadmill.
So how long do you actually need? The nature walkers had lower stress hormones than the video watchers. Not just calmer, measurably, biologically calmer.
So how much nature actually counts?
Researchers found the biggest drop in stress hormones happens between 20 and 30 minutes. A quick 5-minute walk isn't nothing, but it's not enough to fully shift your body's chemistry. Here's why your brain responds this way.
So why does your brain need that much time to let go?
Here's why your brain responds this way. Your brain runs a constant background scan for threats. Screens, traffic, notifications, it never fully switches off. Nature gives that system something simple to look at. And it finally lets go. But why does something so simple work so well? Here's why humans need this at all. For almost all of human history, we lived surrounded by green space. Green space wasn't a luxury, it was just home. Now we spend most of our lives indoors, surrounded by concrete and screens instead. So stepping into nature isn't new to your brain, it's a return to what it already knows. Here are the real numbers. Researchers compared 2 identical walks, one through a park, one through a city street. The park walk lowered stress hormones by over 50%. Same effort, same time, a different result just from where you walked. Here's what this looks like in real life. Your lunch break. Instead of scrolling, you walk to the nearest patch of green.
Walking the dog, but this time, actually noticing the trees instead of your phone.
Working from home. 10 minutes on the balcony instead of another cup of coffee. Here are the common mistakes. Mistake 1. Treating any outdoor time as the same. Mistake 2. Walking, but still scrolling the whole time. Mistake 3. Rushing through it just to check the box. None of that gives your brain the reset it actually needs. So here's what actually helps. First, aim for the 20 to 30-minute window. Second, choose real green space, not just outside. Third, leave the phone in your pocket. So how often do you actually need this? This isn't a one-time fix.
Research points to needing a regular weekly dose of it.
Not a big event. Just something you build in, like brushing your teeth. A few quick questions. Does a park count, or does it need to be a real forest? A park is enough.
What if I don't have nature nearby? Even a few potted plants and open sky help.
Does this replace therapy or medication? No, think of it as support, not a substitute. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, step outside, not as an escape, as a real physical reset. If this helped, you're not alone in needing it. Next time, why walking alone in nature might help even more than walking with others. See you there.